If you're serious about upgrading your kitchen, this is not just another gadget roundup. This is a collection of smart, practical tools designed to save space, speed up prep, and simplify everyday cooking. Whether you're working in a compact apartment or a full family kitchen, these picks add real value fast. Stay with us, because the final item is especially useful. This is Gadget Joy, so hit subscribe and let's get into it. Cutting board organizer. Messy counters usually start with bulky cutting boards and pan lids stacked everywhere. This cutting board rack fixes that by keeping everything upright, visible, and easy to grab. It's made from sturdy flat steel, so it doesn't wobble when you slide boards in and out. You can organize chopping boards, pot lids, baking trays, or even plates in one compact spot. Instead of digging through cabinets, everything stays right on your counter. It's a simple upgrade that instantly makes your kitchen feel cleaner, faster to work in, and much more organized. Dash Mini Donut Maker. Making desserts at home usually means a big mess and lots of cleanup, but this mini donut maker keeps things simple and fun. It features a double-sided non-stick surface that cooks donuts evenly on both sides at once. You just pour the batter, close the lid, and in minutes you get 7 perfectly shaped mini donuts. Its compact size makes it easy to store without taking space. Whether you're cooking for kids, guests, or quick snacks, this turns homemade desserts into something fast, easy, and enjoyable. Stainless steel meat tenderizer. Tough meat can ruin a good meal, but this stainless steel meat tenderizer fixes that problem instantly. It uses 24 ultra-sharp needles that press into the meat, breaking down fibers so marinades absorb better, and cooking becomes more even. You don't have to pound your steak flat anymore. Just press, release, and you're done. It works great on beef, chicken, pork, and even veal. The result is juicier, softer meat without extra effort. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in cooking quality. Bamboo cutting board. A good cutting board protects both your knives and your countertop, and this bamboo board does exactly that. It's built from durable natural wood with deep juice grooves that catch liquids from meat, fruits, and vegetables so your counter stays clean. The built-in handles make it easy to carry from prep to serving. You can chop, slice, and even use it for charcuterie boards when guests come over. It looks premium, feels solid, and adds both function and style to any kitchen workspace. Fold flat dish drying rack. Counter space disappears fast when dishes start piling up. This fold flat dish drying rack solves that problem with a smart 2-tier design that holds plates, bowls, cups, and utensils in one organized space. It includes a drain board that directs water back into the sink instead of onto your counter. When you're done, it collapses flat so you can store it easily. It's perfect for small kitchens that need flexibility. You get a full-size drying area without permanently sacrificing valuable counter space. Pizza cutter wheel. A bad pizza cutter drags toppings instead of slicing clean. This pizza cutter wheel fixes that with a sharp stainless blade and an ergonomic handle that feels comfortable in your hand. It glides through thick crust, flatbread, and even brownies without crushing them. The protective blade cover keeps it safe in drawers, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Whether you make pizza often or just occasionally, this tool turns messy, cutting into smooth, controlled, and satisfying slices every time. Kitchen sink drain strainer. Clogged sinks are one of the most annoying kitchen problems. This upgraded sink drain strainer works as a stopper, filter, and odor blocker all in one. It catches food scraps before they go down the drain while still allowing water to flow fast. The stainless steel basket lifts out easily for cleaning, so you're not digging into dirty pipes. It fits most standard sinks and keeps bad smells away. It's one of those small upgrades that quietly prevents big plumbing headaches later. Swivel vegetable peeler. Peeling vegetables shouldn't feel like work. This premium swivel peeler uses ultra-sharp stainless blades that glide over potatoes, carrots, apples, and more with almost no pressure. The soft grip handle stays comfortable even during long prep sessions, and the swivel head adjusts to curves so nothing gets wasted. Instead of fighting your produce, it moves naturally with your hand. It's lightweight, durable, and makes everyday cooking faster and smoother, especially when you prep large meals or family portions. Shower and window squeegee. Water spots and soap residue build up fast, but this stainless steel squeegee makes cleanup quick. It's designed for shower doors, mirrors, windows, and even kitchen surfaces. The blade wipes water in one smooth pass instead of leaving streaks. It comes with adhesive hooks so you can store it right on the wall without drilling. Instead of scrubbing later, you can wipe after each use and keep surfaces looking new. It saves time, reduces cleaning effort, and keeps bathrooms and kitchens fresh. Over-the-sink colander basket. This over-the-sink colander basket turns your sink into a prep station. It expands to fit across most sinks, letting you wash vegetables, drain pasta, or dry dishes without using counter space. Water falls straight into the sink, so there's no mess. You can rinse fruits, strain noodles, or even hold plates while they dry. When you're done, it stores easily. It's perfect for small kitchens that need more working area without adding bulky tools everywhere. Pull-down faucet with sprayer. A normal faucet limits movement, but this pull-down faucet adds flexibility to your sink. It features a sprayer head that extends so you can rinse dishes, clean corners, and fill pots easily. The single handle controls temperature smoothly, and the matte black finish looks modern in both kitchens and bathrooms. It also includes a pop-up drain and deck plate for easy installation. It's not just about looks, it improves daily washing, rinsing, and cleaning comfort in a noticeable way. Two-tier dish drying rack. If you wash a lot of dishes, a basic rack isn't enough. This two-tier dish drying rack gives you vertical space for plates, bowls, cups, and utensils, all in one organized setup. It's made from stainless steel so it resists rust and stays stable under weight. The extendable drain spout sends water back into the sink instead of pooling on the counter. You get more drying capacity without clutter, making cleanup faster and your kitchen feel more professional. Food dehydrator. Storing food doesn't always mean freezing it. This food dehydrator uses adjustable temperature control and multiple BPA-free trays to dry fruits, vegetables, herbs, and even jerky. It removes moisture slowly while keeping flavor and nutrients intact. You can make healthy snacks, preserve seasonal produce, or prepare homemade treats without preservatives. The stackable trays let you dry large batches at once. It's perfect for people who love meal prep, natural snacks, and reducing food waste in a smart way.